this year, the theme for the World Health Day is about the safety of food. All of you have eaten today? Hands up those children who ate today. Okay. How many of you had very nutritious food this morning? How many of you had fruits this morning? And, oh, children in Lami are very good. All of them are eating fruits. That's very good to see. What we want to talk about today, you can put your hands down now. Thank you, children. What we want to talk about in this year's World Health Day is to make sure that all the food that we eat is not only healthy, but it's also safe. That's very important. We must eat healthy food, and we must eat food that is safe, that has not been contaminated. We do this because we want to talk about, we want to protect our consumers, that's you and me, from the risks of food poisoning and foodborne diseases. We don't want these things happening in Fiji. Unsafe food can lead to many health problems, diarrhea problems, even viral disease. Have you heard about Ebola? Have any of you children heard about Ebola? Do you know that the first time that Ebola happened, they say it happened because of contaminated bush meat. People ate contaminated meat, and that's the first time that it went to human beings. That tells us the importance of the safety of food. Food safety is very, very important. And it can lead, if the food that we eat is not safe, it can lead to cancers, can lead to all kinds of other things, problems. So food safety is very important. Many years ago, all of us, we just planted our own food, or we caught our own food, or we raised our own food. But today, we all go to the market, and we all go to the supermarket to buy our food. That's why it's very important that everybody who is involved in making sure that they plant food, that they take food to the supermarket, that they look after the place where we buy our fish, that all of these places are very clean and very safe, so that the food that we get is also clean and safe. World Health Day 2015, we want everyone who has anything to do with bringing our food to us to make sure that the food we eat is safe. That includes people working in different government sectors, the Ministry of Agriculture, the Ministry of Fisheries, the Ministry of Transport, the Ministry of Health. We want to make sure that farmers, manufacturers, retailers, health practitioners, as well as consumers, all of us, make sure that we look after our role. All of these different people, they have a different role to play in bringing food to us. And we want to be sure that all of us, that when we go to the shop, when we go to the market, that the food we eat is safe food. It is not contaminated food. Not only that, today in the Ministry of Health, we are also talking about the importance of choosing the right food. Today, there are too many of us, we spend most of our food is processed food. We eat food that comes out of little packets of plastic, that comes out of cans, that has processed salt and other things in that food. And I know that in your school, you are teaching children not to eat too many of these kinds of foods. More and more Fijians are transiting from organic food to supermarkets, to supermarket type foods. Recent studies show that Fijians are not eating enough fruits and vegetables. That is very, very bad. Our lifestyle today is so different. We're always so busy. So the easiest thing for us to do is to buy a packet of noodles, and that's the wrong thing to do. The government, through the Ministry of Health and Medical Services, is addressing food issues through advocating for farming and consuming local products. We want everybody to start farming their own food. We also have worked in government on reducing taxes on imported fruits and vegetables to allow easier access and variety. We are also talking about reducing the salt and sugars and fats that we have in Fijian foods. Government is looking to reviewing the food legislation to address our emerging challenges, and at the same time we want to ensure that we be very careful with the menus that we feed ourselves and that we feed our children. The Health Ministry is happy to say we are happy to note that the food industry in Fiji has been talking to the Ministry of Industry and Trade, and we have there are a lot of positive discussions about how we can improve the food choices in Fijians. And a lot of the companies, through these discussions, we hope that a lot of them will put labeling onto their food products that will tell us what is in those food products that they sell. This will give our people more informed choices when they go shopping. World Health Day 2015 has reminded us of the importance of foods that come from farms and advocates that these foods are for Fiji's food security through improved food choices. In public health nutrition, the dietitians are taking the lead role in their nutritional programs. We are talking about establishing hospital gardens, especially in subdivisional hospitals. These hospital gardens, they grow cabbage, banana, pawpaw, banana, carrot, cucumber, all very good food, and that is then fed to the patients. We are also promoting school gardens. School gardens, I hope that you have your school gardens here in primary school so that you can learn to plant and eat good nutritional food. And also we are promoting home and backyard gardening for the provision of healthy and fresh vegetables, fruits, and subsistence crops to families for their own meals and address malnutrition and other nutritional deficiencies in rural area families. The last thing that we're doing through our dietitians is that we are scheduling cooking demonstrations to women with focus on using backyard garden harvest and or using local fresh produce in addressing anemia and women and children over and undernutrition, promoting breastfeeding and other NCDs in general. So all of us have a part to play in ensuring food safety. So for all of your children, make sure that when you go and you go to your garden to pick some food to be eaten, make sure what do you do with that food? Do you just take it and eat it? What must you do? You must wash it. You must make sure that the food that we have, if you buy food that might have pesticide, and we decide you don't eat it immediately, you put it on water so you get rid of all the poisonous things that will make you sick. Right? We must also make sure that everybody who is supplying food to markets and supermarkets everywhere, they keep that food as safe as possible. And the last thing that I will tell everybody today, make sure that you eat food that is good for your health. A lot of fruits and vegetables, no, don't eat noodles raw and all of those things that will be bad for your liver and your kidneys, make you an old person, make you very sick. So that's all I'm going to say. I wish everybody a very good World Health Day for 2015 and for us to always focus on making sure that our food is safe. Good night, children.